In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram DMs. So there's two things we can do here. It's very easy. We can turn off the read receipts for someone specific or just all of your messages. So let's go to Instagram and let's go to the messages area at the very bottom of your screen here. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick a chat here. Once you're here, go ahead and click on the user's name and then go down to privacy and safety. And then you want to go ahead and turn off the read receipts. So that way from this point forward, you will not see the scene underneath your message. If you do want to turn this off for the entire Instagram so that no one can see it, we can go and back out of here. And then let's go to our profile at the bottom right hand corner and then go to those three lines at the top right corner. Once this loads up, you want to scroll down until you find where it says messages and story replies, and then go down to where it says who can see your online and show read receipts. Go ahead and click that and then go ahead and turn that off. So this will not only turn off all of your messages for every single person, but then you can also go back and just do it for one specific user. And that's it.